All right, so we are now in the Monopoly Go game, and for example, you run out of rolls or you're tired of playing the game and you want to, um, put it down. What you want to do is, if you see near the three shields on the upper right corner, there are three lines or the hamburger icon. So tap on the three lines, and your settings menu will appear. Uh, so what you want to do is type on settings, and then connect account, and then you can just disconnect accounts, whether you're Facebook or Google Play. That's one way. The other way, the easiest way, is just to right click on your phone, right? Like, and then a pop up will appear. Are you sure? Would you like to quit the game? If you want to leave the game, if you want to sign out, log out, same thing. Just tap on quit. Um, and there you go. We are out of the game. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.